How to get Fortnite Creative 2.0 on PC or laptop. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. I will be showing you the ways on how you can download Fortnite. So in order to download Fortnite, first of all launch your Epic Games Store. If you don't have an Epic Games account, make sure that you create one and head over to store.epicgames.com. While you're on this page, you can see there is a search bar in the top left hand side. Now type in Fortnite. You can also search Unreal Editor for Fortnite. This is actually free. After you find a game, tap on Get in the right hand side corner and it's gonna direct you to the other info page. So basically you'll be asked to sign in with your account or with an Epic Games account. So type in your email address and click on the continue button. So after that, go through all of the terms and conditions and mark on the box right at the bottom, click on accept button. So it is actually free, so you can see there is no such payment method. So just tap on place order, which is right at the bottom. Once you've bought that, it's going to take a while in order to do that procedure. So once you've bought that, you'll be able to see library right at the bottom. You'll need to tap on the library button. After you select library, on the other you'll be able to see Unreal Editor for Fortnite or Fortnite. You'll need to click on the install button and it's going to take a while, so you'll have to run the installation program, and once you've done that, you'll successfully install Fortnite on your PC. After that, you can start exploring Fortnite. So that's basically how you can install Fortnite on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.